This video is an overview managing your duty status within the Samsara Driver app. As a reminder, the ELD mandate requires you to manage your hours of service using the app. By the end of this video, you should be able to use the Driver app to manage your duty status throughout your day. You can see your current duty status at the top of the Driver app here. This driver has been off duty for 30 minutes. If you tap into this top window, you can see all the duty statuses available to you as a driver. Please note that both the personal conveyance and yard move options must be enabled by your fleet administrator if applicable. If you wish to use either of these after they have been activated, be sure to select the duty status while the vehicle is powered on, but before driving the vehicle. Otherwise, your status will automatically be updated to driving. Per the Canadian ELD mandate, you will automatically be transitioned from yard move to on-duty driving if you exceed 32 kilometers per hour. Also, you will be automatically transitioned from personal conveyance to on-duty driving if you use that status for more than 75 kilometers of travel in a day. These auto-duty transitions are optional for US drivers, but are required in Canada. Also, if you are in yard move or personal conveyance and the ELD detects that the vehicle is stopped and then restarted, you will see a prompt asking if you want to stay in the respective duty status. If you don't choose an option, the Samsara Driver app switches your status to off duty if you are in personal conveyance, or on duty if you are in yard move. Once you select a new duty status by tapping on it, you then have the option to add a remark, which will be included with your logs for any roadside inspections or in-house audits. There are several pre-selected remarks available, or you can enter free-form text. The location will generally be pulled automatically by the ELD, but in the event of a limited connection or other scenarios where GPS data is unavailable, you will be prompted to manually type your location upon changing statuses. After tapping save, you can see the duty status has been updated to on duty. The ELD will automatically update the status from on duty to driving when the vehicle moves at 8 kilometers per hour or faster. If you are in driving status and the vehicle is stopped for 5 minutes or more, Samsara will automatically transition you back to on duty. To see the time remaining for your shift, tap into the HOS tile from the main screen. These dials here will count down the time remaining for driving, on duty, and off duty statuses, as well as the total time left in your shift and cycle. If you are in violation, the applicable dials will change from blue to red. When you eventually need to go off duty, you can update the status again. After selecting off duty, you're given the option to sign out of the app entirely or go off duty but stay signed in. Generally, you can also go off duty by signing out of the Driver app at the end of your shift. Be sure to wait for the sign-in screen to appear before closing the app. In summary, you should now be able to use the app to manage your duty status throughout your day. As a reminder, both personal conveyance and yard move options are enabled by your administrator if applicable. Select the duty status for yard move or personal conveyance when the vehicle is started, but before you start driving the vehicle. Otherwise, your status will automatically be updated to driving. Per the Canadian ELD mandate, you will be automatically transitioned from yard move to on-duty driving if you exceed 32 kilometers per hour. You will be automatically transitioned from personal conveyance to on-duty driving if you use that status for more than 75 kilometers of travel in a day. Also, if you are in yard move or personal conveyance and the ELD detects that the vehicle has stopped and then restarted, you will see a prompt asking if you want to stay in the respective duty status. If you don't choose an option, the Samsara Driver app switches your status to off duty if you were in personal conveyance or on duty if you were in yard move.